Hello everyone, Corpse here, bringing you another video tutorial. Today's video tutorial is basically how to open up multiple programs all at once by a click of a button, a single button, instead of individually opening. I know some of you guys may see this video tutorial to be a little bit redundant because you can set the programs to automatically launch um, when you start your computer, but there are some people like me where not necessarily I want these programs every time I open up. I'd rather start my computer and then launch them when I'm ready for them. So to do that, I do it using a batch file. Pretty simple. Uh, Basic understanding of how to create a batch file, you're going to need to know that. But to do that, just basically right click on your desktop, select new, and go to text document. You should see the .txt. If you don't see this, then what you're going to have to do is open up any folder or something, a file explorer, and you'll see at the top up here, it should say view. Click on view, and then once you do that, you'll see file name extensions. Make sure you have that checked. You can do also hidden items. Those are what I recommend having checked. You may not need hidden files or be shown, but I like to see what's on my computer. Though be careful with the hidden files because they're hidden for a reason. So once you do that, have them checked, you can close that. But then you just right click on it and rename. And we're going to name this one video tutorial. And then we're going to hit .bat. And you get that prompt saying, yeah, you're changing the name, you may not operate right. Okay, now you're going to want to use some sort of editor. I'm going to be using my VS Code, but you can use Notepad++, you can use pretty much anything. Some of them, like Notepad++ and VS Code, when you right click, you'll see it there. You click on that. So today, the code is very simple, but I'm going to explain it. This is how I open up Discord, Steam, and my TS3 client all in one click. And I can show you working right here. I just click on this. You see Discord. And on my far monitor, I got TeamSpeak. And I got Steam starting up as well, which is all the way over on my other monitor, as you can see right here. There's Steam. So let me close this, move my TeamSpeak back to my third monitor over there, and let me shut down Steam. So the way that's done is using this code right here. Basically, this CD changes the file path of where we're going to be looking, but you pretty much have to add that /D as well. I don't know anybody that's been able to get it to work with just CD. Maybe back in XP or whenever that was a thing, maybe, but I know with Windows 7 and 10, I've always had to do the /D. And then what we do here with like Discord, we had to look for the location. And the way I got that was I open up on my start menu and then quick access, right click, go to more, open file location, and then I right clicked and hit properties. Inside here, you see the location of where it is. So C users all the way up to right here where you see update.exe. So the easiest way is just to highlight that whole thing, copy it, and then you can close it. And this code is going to be available. You'll just have to basically modify this one line that I give you with whatever you see for the update.exe. So you would just take this, copy that, Control C, and paste that inside there. And then from here, the update.exe, you can see that's this end part right here. And basically what we're doing is we're saying, okay, now that you're in the folder location, it's going to run the update.exe, and then we need the process start discord.exe. And by doing that, it will start Discord. So that's how we got the Discord. Steam is going to be the same way. Right click on here. I have Steam right here. Right click, more, open folder location. Right click, properties. And you can see that it's in the D program files, Steam, right here. And this one is just a straight.exe that I'm running. So that's why I have start steam.exe. And I did the same thing for my TeamSpeak. And you can keep adding in more depending on what you want started, or you can do different. Just know, like this one here, it's update.exe, but I need to run this as well with it. So that's why there's no start on that one. You'll also see that these are wrapped in quotes. The reason for that is program files space x86 with the brackets. Because it has spaces, if I didn't have the quotes in there, it would read it as a the space here as like a backslash, like a separator, a different folder. So by wrapping it in quotes, it's saying this is the absolute path, go here. And you don't need to put the slash at the end here. So that's pretty much how you do it, and you do it for each one. And of course, exit just shuts down the thing after it's started. So it will run Discord, start Discord first, then it will start Steam, and then TS3, and it's generally pretty quick. Now, let me reopen that because I forgot. Did I save that? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Now it's saved. Now you'll say, okay, well, you have yours with an icon on it. How do I get the icon? Normally, I would say properties, but you can't do it with a batch file. So the trick is, like me, I have a folder on my desktop called gaming. And inside that folder, I go in there. I have like Armored Warfare, BlueStack, I don't know. Oh yeah, BlueStacks, and this stuff is for, whatchamacallit, my tablet stuff. So you can see that I put in the initiate game programs.batch file. That's what I'm using. So I would just take the video tutorial and put that in here as well. Now the trick is right click, go down to create shortcut, and create shortcut. Now what you want to do is the shortcut is going to be the one with the little mark on the lower left hand corner. You just move that to your desktop, and we can close out that folder. And you can easily go to here, let's open up this and let's look up gaming.icon or gaming.ico. Go to here. Let's go check out what they have for gaming icons. Yeah, let's grab this one. I have that on my desktop. Normally I would put it in my pictures folder. I'll do that. I'll just delete it after this. So I just come over here, put it inside there. I can take that one and throw that away. And now you just click on video tutorials, go to properties. Of course, this is a shortcut. You'll see change icon right here. You click on browse, and since I know it's in my pictures, I click on pictures, and there it is right there. Click open, click apply, and there you go. So now if I want to open up those things, I just double click on that. you'll see Steam starting, Discord, and TeamSpeak, of course, is opened over here. And that's how you create it so it's an icon. And of course, you can put the batch file anywhere you want. Me, I have it all in consolidated in one area. I like to try keeping things somewhat nice and neat and tidy. But that's all to it. The code, if you want it, will be offered on my website, Headshot Domain. If you're watching this video, there will be a link in the description to the thread that's going to contain the code, and then you can go from there. I hope this helps. And like I said, this was only done for myself, but talking to one of the guys in my clan, he wanted something like this. And I mean, you can create multiple of these. Like you can see, I have 2 of them right there. You can have them for different things. So yeah, enjoy and have a good one.